So we're on day 4 of our cruise, and we are in Puerto Vallarta. So we're gonna go check out the city. So we're gonna bring you along. See you later. So we are on the Lido deck getting a quick breakfast before we get off the boat. And here's my food. Their omelets are really good. So we're down in the gangway, getting ready to get off the boat. Excited. It's very humid. When you get off the ship in Puerto Vallarta, there's a gate that you can walk through, and if you follow that path, it's going to take you to some shopping, some eating areas, and there's even people selling tours if you wanted to get a tour that day. And it's a neat little area because it gives you an opportunity to get off the cruise ship if you didn't have anything planned and venture out a little bit, do some shopping, maybe eating, without going too far out if that's not something that you're comfortable doing. This is also a good opportunity if you need to get some meds or some sunscreen, because they have a pharmacy actually here at this stop that you can do some shopping at if you need to. Wow. That is cool. So we found out that there was a local beach not too far from where we were. And we're also told that there's some shopping that you have to pass before you get to the local beach. And that shopping was a lot cheaper than the shopping that is offered right immediately off the boat. So we decided to venture out and check it out. So another thing that was really comforting about venturing out on our own is after we walked all the way around the fence in the area that was further away, we came upon our cruise ship and we could see it on the outside of the gate. So it made us feel a lot more comfortable knowing where we were. It's hot.
Welcome, guys.
Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Hello, amiga.
Hi, how are you? Thank you. Another tip is don't buy the first items that you see. Walk around, price things out, and ask if they'll take a lower price. And usually you can meet halfway. I asked about an item that I wanted, and I ended up getting a $15 item for $12. So I saved $3. So just keep that in mind. How much are your these little things?
Which one? The churro?
Yeah, or the
That one is $18 and this same. This is 15.
It says I've had both shots and one extra.
True. You got the COVID shot, booster, and then the shot of tequila.
Don't pass me over. Give me a chance. Don't be like Mexican. Let me see. Hello, Star.
So this is the local beach in Puerto Vallarta. As soon as you get off the cruise, if you walk down the walkway, you'll pass some shopping, and then it'll bring you here to this local beach. If you don't want to get taxis and go far away, this is a perfect opportunity to see a little bit without going too far. You can kind of like venture out on your own. The water is very warm. So you guys, the beach here, the local beach, the water is so warm. It's pretty cool. Very comfortable. I say check it out.
Adios, bye-bye. Have a good time.
Thank you. So this is the Panorama. This boat is ginormous. It's huge. So beautiful on the inside. Very hot and humid here.
Good weather, good weather.
So we're going back through now.
Slugger.
Refreshing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, it's like supposed to hydrate. Yeah, I need something to like hydrate. Not just
Stay tuned for part 2 of day 4 as we check out the Serenity deck, have dinner at Gigi's, and have an awesome night of fun in the Sky Zone.